138.10, a channel resistance. We'd mentioned really over the last month how a rally up into this zone should be considered a sell opportunity back down to 107.23. Now this is the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we've got 137.61 descending channel resistance and 106.86 rising channel support. We may actually see 106.86 today over the next several days anyway, holding below 116.66. Is that low settlement price that was put out in early February? It is now resistance for the day. 116.66 can contain today's highs, and below which 106.86 is likely over the next day or two. 106.86 is channel support. You can find it on the weekly chart at 107.23. It is a zone that can absorb selling really through March and the second quarter. In the event we close the week Friday below 107.23, there's more where that came from. 76.33, then consider the next. I'm going to call this a 2 to 3 month target. The way this rounding top could play out, and I don't expect it to play out that way, by the way, unless we close below 107.23, that it can accelerate to the downside. The sell-off can be more excessive in a shorter period of time. This could be a 3 to 5 week move. If we close below 107.23, we could see by the end of April or sooner 76.33, where we could actually place an annual low. Only if we close the week below 107.23. The day below 106.86 would not look good either. If we did close today below 106.86, and I don't expect it, but 100.95 is then likely within the week. 90.69 by the end of next week, on our way down to 76.33. The 137.61 channel top is itself a meaningful upside pivot point. If we could, over the next few weeks, close above 137.61, we've got a good March low, a good low really through the second quarter, or at least well into the second quarter, because over the following 3 to 5 weeks, I would expect 163.01. But we're not there yet. We're nowhere near it. If I were to work my way up today, it could show 116.66. I've already mentioned this as your day resistance, able to contain daily buying pressures, and below which we should, over the next 1 to 3 days, either today, Wednesday, or Thursday, test our long-awaited 106.86. 106.86 can once again absorb selling through the second quarter, and from here, 137.61 likely within 2 to 3 weeks. So if we fall to 106.86, this 106.86 is the area to not only cover that short position, but to reverse and go long. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.